Greetings and selamat sejahtera. Today, our group will be presenting on industrial engineering, which focuses on improving system, processes, and productivity by using engineering and analytical methods. Before we begin, let me introduce our team members. First is me, Goratini. Next presenter is Mardiato Najiha, which is followed by Nur Shahira. In this presentation, we will explain the concepts and importance of industrial engineering in improving efficiency, quality, and productivity. For this problem statement, we need to show that industrial engineering is a true engineering discipline just like civil, chemical, electrical, and mechanical engineering. Industrial engineering applies scientific methods, mathematical analysis, and engineering principles to improve systems, production processes, and workplace efficiency. Industrial engineers are responsible for solving complex industrial problems such as reducing production costs, improving quality, increasing productivity, and ensuring worker safety. Similar to other engineering fields, industrial engineering also involves designing, testing, analyzing, and optimizing systems. However, instead of focusing only on machines and structure, industrial engineering focuses on the integration of people, materials, machines, and processes. Therefore, industrial engineering should be recognized as a real engineering discipline because it uses technical knowledge and problem solving methods to improve industrial operations and organizational performance. Industrial engineering uses the same engineering fundamentals as other engineering fields. First of all, engineering disciplines are built on important foundations such as mathematics, scientific problems, and analytical thinking. These elements are essential for solving technical and industrial problems. Similarly, industrial engineering also applies this concept through the statistics and optimization techniques and mathematical models. Engineers analyze data and systems to improve productivity, reduce waste, and make processes more efficient. In addition, industrial engineering focuses on complete systems that involve people, machines, and processes working together. For example, mechanical engineers may design a machine while industrial engineers improve how the machine is efficiently within the production system. This clearly shows that industrial engineering is not only management based but also strongly connected to engineering knowledge, analysis, and technical problem solving. The engineering thinking approach used in industrial engineering, which is the input, process, and output model. The input includes resources such as labor, materials, and energy. These resources then transform through a process where different operations and activities take place. The output is the finished product or service delivered to the customer. Industrial engineers study and improve every stage of this system to ensure better efficiency and performance. Their goal is to make processes faster, reduce unnecessary costs, and improve product quality at the same time. This input process output concept is also widely used in other engineering fields, which further proves that industrial engineering follows the true engineering principles and systematic problem solving methods. Industrial engineering is a data driven and focuses on designing and improving systems just like any other engineering disciplines. Industrial engineers use productivity calculations, statistical methods, and optimization techniques to analyze and improve production systems. Their decisions are based on data, measurements, and mathematical analysis rather than assumptions. For example, productivity can be measured by comparing output over input, and also industrial engineers redesign workflows to reduce waiting time and optimize factory layouts to improve efficiency and smooth operations. This shows that engineering is highly quantitative and based mass, which is similar to the work done in other engineering fields. While other engineers may design machines or equipment, but industrial engineers design and improve how the system works together.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Mariatu Najiha and I am the second presenter. So on this slide, we focus on how industrial engineering improves both efficiency and effectiveness. Efficiency means doing things right, while effectiveness means doing the right thing. Industrial engineering combines both by making decisions that maximize output while minimizing the input. which is the key to the engineering objective. So, to achieve this, IE uses concepts such as lean manufacturing, continuous improvement, and cost reduction. For example, industrial engineers may reduce waiting time in a process or eliminate unnecessary steps, which helps improve overall system performance. Moving on to the next slides. This slide shows the comparison between industrial engineering and other engineering fields while also highlighting its broader scope. Fields like mechanical, electrical, chemical, and civil engineering mainly focus on designing specific components or systems, such as machines, circuits, or infrastructure. In contrast, industrial engineering focuses on improving how these systems are used together. At the same time, IE works on complex systems and not just machines. This includes supply chains, operations, and human work systems. It also involves areas like scheduling, layout planning, inventory, and quality control. So overall, we can say that industrial engineering operates at the same level, ensuring everything works efficiently as a whole. We can conclude that industrial engineering is not less technical than other engineering fields. In fact, it is broader. While other engineers design individual components, industrial engineers focus on integrating and optimizing the entire system. This role is essential because without IE, systems can become inefficient, costs may increase, and productivity can decrease. Therefore, industrial engineering is clearly a true engineering discipline. Now, moving on to question 2. The task is to identify and describe case studies where industrial engineering principles can be applied to non-manufacturing systems. This includes systems such as hospitals, banks, and government offices. The main idea is to show that industrial engineering is not limited to factories, but can also be applied to service systems that involve processes and workflows. Industrial engineering is not limited to manufacturing environments. It can be applied to service systems like hospitals, banks, and government offices because all these systems follow the same concept of input, process, and output. For example, hospitals process patients, banks handle customers, and government offices manage documents and services. Industrial engineering helps improve these systems by reducing waiting time, increasing efficiency, and improving productivity. This shows that IE is versatile and applicable across many different industries.
Assalamualaikum and good day. My name is Nur Shahira Binti Mazlan and I'm the next presenter. For question 2, I will explain how industrial engineering principle can be applied in manufacturing but also in service-based system. Industrial engineering focuses on improving processes, increasing efficiency, and reducing waste. Because of that, it can be applied to any organization that involves people, workflow, and services. The first example is hospital. Hospitals often face problems such as long patient waiting times, overcrowding, and inefficient patient flow. This problem usually happens because of poor scheduling and unorganized processes. Industrial engineers can use process analysis to study patient flow from registration, treatment until discharge. By doing this, bottleneck can be identified. They can also apply scheduling optimizations by arranging doctors, nurse scheduling more efficiently, which helps reduce idle time. Beside that, layout improvement can be used to organize department for smoother movement of patient, staff, and equipment. As a result, waiting time can be reduced, treatment become faster, and patient satisfaction can be improved. The second example is bank. Bank commonly face long queues, slow service, and customer dissatisfaction. One industrial engineering method is queue management. Customer arrival patterns are analyzed to design better queue system. Another method is workforce optimizations, which means assigning staff based on peak hours so service can run smoothly. Process simplifications can also reduce unnecessary step in transactions. This improvement helps shorten waiting times, provide faster service, and improve customer experience. The third example is government office. Government office often experience slow document processing, long approval times, and complex procedures. Industrial engineers can be improved this through workflow redesign by simplifying approval steps and removing unnecessary processes. Digital transformations can be replaced manual work with online system, making the process faster and more convenient. In addition, measurement helps monitor processing times and overall efficiency. As a result, service delivery becomes faster, delay can be reduced, and public satisfaction can be increased. In conclusion, industrial engineering principle can be applied to any system that has process, including healthcare, banking, government, and many other service sectors. This because every system requires efficiency, productivity, and optimization. Therefore, industrial engineering is versatile and essential across different industries. Thank you.